how to connect Google domain to Wix website. If you want to connect your Google domain to your Wix website, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, you want to go to your Wix dashboard. Once you go to your Wix dashboard and you're on the home page, you can see an option called Connect Domain. If you do not find this here as well, there's nothing to worry about, because you can always go to the setup button on the left hand side, and from there you'll find an option that says Connect a custom domain. You can click on the Connect custom domain option. Simply paste the Google domain that you have, maybe purchased or that you have for free, and once you've done that, you can hit the Let's Go option, and later on you can connect your name service from Google Domains to your Wix account. And this way you should be able to connect Google domain to Wix. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.